got a box with parts to spare. Don't you worry, Rowan's there. Click and snap, it's coming together, guiding you through every endeavor. Rowan knows, Rowan shows, fixing life with tips that glow. Assemble this, cook that too. He's got the actions for you. Quick meals for your
This
busy
episode of
day.
Rowan Knows Rowan Shows, I'm going to show you how you can steam clean your carpet. First, you need to start with a thorough vacuum of your room. And now that we vacuumed, we can now empty out this container. Before you actually get to the washing, you need to pre-treat the stains that are already on the carpet. And now it's time to get the steam cleaner ready. Right now, I'm going to put in the soap for the Hoover. And I'm going to be setting it to rinse. Just kidding, wash. To put this in, which contains the dirty water, there's a lever in the back. Push down to bend back. Once it's in, you have to securely fasten it with this. And then now we put this on. As you can see, the carpet looks completely fine. Make sure to hit that like and subscribe button and hit that notification bell so you never miss another video. In the meantime, vibe with the music.